In this video, I will be guiding about the Pinterest marketing for the CPA offer or for the affiliate offer. If you already don't have the Pinterest account, you can simply create by going to the Pinterest. You can simply click on sign up and sign up with your detail, either with the email, Facebook, Gmail, or with the phone number. Suppose you have an email address, then you can simply click on continue button and you can fill up the information like email, password, yes, and continue, and you can create the Pinterest account. After creating the Pinterest account, you can simply log into the Pinterest and you can convert it as according to the niche that you preferred for. For the example purpose, here is one of the best converting niche, which is Cash App. It's under the Make Money Online. At first, your account doesn't have any of this post. You have to put it with your design. Canva is one of the best tool to create the image and the video, where you can create your graphic part. Suppose we need the Pinterest profile or Pinterest post. You can simply type here Pinterest, then you can see the several options like what you are going to need, what you are going to make, what you are going to create on it. So you can simply choose your option, what you want to create, then you simply create your pin, profile, or post. Okay, the dimension is this. You can get the template from here, or you can simply create your own. I have already created this profile, cover, and some of the post. It is not only my Pinterest account, I have several accounts. It is for the demo purpose. First of all, your account is a personal account, then you need to convert it. You need to convert to the business. So I have already converted. You can see somewhere else here, convert to business option, and you can see this business hub, where you can see your data here. How is your post performing? So simply I'm going to show one of the posts creating on Canva and posting it on the Pinterest. So let's go to the Canva first, and as I said, there is a Pinterest pin option. You can choose any of these two, and suppose this one is the dimension. And Canva, we have been talked a lot in previous videos, so let's not waste time on it. You can simply get the image from somewhere else. You can get the background color here. You simply put your text here from the text option. You can choose any of these which you like the most, and eventually you can design it. So it's a rough one, and I'm going to post it on the Pinterest account. So let's dive into the Pinterest again. Here we see this screen, and we simply create the pin here, and either we drag it or we can choose the image where it's been located. So this one is the image. You simply open it. You can do little bit of SEO on this part, or it's okay to go with the flow. So it's an offer of Cash App. Let's give some description and title for it. You can tweak on the title part, like you can say something, get 750 Cash App free, or 750 Cash App daily to your account, or like this. And you can tell little bit about it on the description part, and you can get some hashtag. Like, since I am familiar with the hashtag, so I put it randomly. If you feel hard to get the tags, how to generate the tag, you can simply search on the Google. There are several hashtag generators, and you simply put the keyword, and it generates the hashtag, and you can simply copy it by selecting it all, or you can select manually, copy and paste here, and it's done. and at the end of the post you have option to place a link, which would be your landing page link. So you put it here and simply click on the publish option. Before that, if you have not created your pin board, so you can simply create it by clicking here and choose where you want to publish your pin, and simply click on publish, and see your pin is done. If any user related to the Make Money Online niche based visitor comes to your website, comes to the Pinterest and clicks on the link and react or do some action, you get paid. So this is the process, and you can check your performance on the dashboard here, which is under the business hub. It's under the business section, where you can see your performance of your posts. It is about the pin, it about the picture or the image. You can also create the pin as upon the video. Okay, you can create the shorts type of video like the TikTok or YouTube shorts, the mobile version of the video. The Pinterest easily supports such videos, such dimension videos. It is the process, you need to do it on the daily basis. It's better if you can post your pins daily up to 10 or else 3 to 5 a day, since on the beginning time you can post up to 5 posts a day. Post means pin here, so you can simply go to the create pin section and you can create it on the daily basis, on which post we are getting most engagement and what time we are getting most engaged, and we can tweak according to the time. Also, you can unfollow the related people. Suppose if your niche is Make Money Online, and you can go to the profile. As you see the followers here, and you can simply follow them and they are going to be following you back. In a way, you can increase your engagement with the users. You can follow up to 200 people a day, but at the initial phase you simply do with the 10. There is also a bot for this, like following, unfollowing and sending message to the people. I will share the tool on the upcoming videos. You can also interact with the people. You can drop a comment on their post. You can like them. They're also going to like you back. This is the process where you can promote your affiliate link, either it's on the Make Money Online niche or giveaway niche, health niche, or any of the niche which you are interested and you are working on. You can also promote your course or only do the affiliate marketing with it. So it's all for this tutorial. See you on the next one.